Hello, how's everybody doing? Today we're going to try out the AutoTool fuel injection cleaner kit, and we're going to see how this works out. We haven't tried this process before, so it's kind of going to be a learning curve as we go along. So in the box you get the hanging tank, so basically a little small tank where you can put in your cleaning solution. It has an air nozzle here at the bottom for connecting your air compressor to. Has the on-off valve for controlling the flow of the cleaning fluid to your injectors or whatever you want them to clean out. Has a pressure control knob here, so you can adjust what your pressure is going to be flowing out to your injectors or whatever it is. Has a threaded end here, and it comes with a large assortment of different types of connecting devices for different objects. So it has a description of what connections it has. Comes in the box for different uses. And it also has a cap on top that you remove to put your cleaning solution in, and it also has an air bleeder valve here to let the pressure off when you're finished. We're going to work with the Berryman's B12 Chem Tool fuel injection cleaner. So that's what we're going to put in the tank. And okay, now that we got this out of the box, let's go ahead and go through the setup for setting your air pressure. The appropriate range depends on your fuel injectors, but its gauge here shows a range between, say, about 35 and 60 or 70. So when you first hook up your air line from your air compressor here, you're going to get a over in the red area depending on how much pressure your air compressor is putting out. So to adjust that, you want to go to this knob right here with a little red collar. You want to loosen up this little red collar here so that you can make some adjustments. So screw that back. The black knob, you have to pull it out so that it will turn. I mean, it'll turn before that, but it won't make any adjustments. So what you need to do is to open up your valve down here at the bottom so that the air starts to flow through the tank and out of the bottom of your hose, which you want nothing to be connected to at this point. And you're going to open up the bottom valve down here and observe what your pressure is up here. And if you want it to be lower, which you do, you're going to turn this black knob counterclockwise so you get the pressure down into the green area. Sorry for the fingers on the screen. It takes 1, 2, 3, 4 to 5 turns to get it down into the green area, and basically set it at whatever pressure you want it to be at. And once you get it set there, you can go down and close your bottom valve here. Okay. Now that you got your pressure set where you want it, you want to go ahead and disconnect your air hose here. So then pop that off. And then you want to bleed out the pressure that's in the tank. You can do it from the top up here because there's a button up here. You can let it out. And also you can come down here to your bottom valve and just open it up to let the pressure out. You'll see your gauge go down to 0. So once you get your gauge down to 0, go ahead and close this bottom valve again. So close that up. And now you can go ahead and add your cleaning solution to your tank. So by unscrewing the top up here, you can add your solution in there, screw it back on good, and then you can hook up your air hose again, and you'll be ready to start to do your fuel injection cleaning. So that was something that wasn't in the instructions, so hope that helps out and get us started. So we're going to try to clean the fuel injectors on the fuel rail for the Infinity G37?
Yeah, G37.
So we've never tried this before, so it's all an experiment. It may blow up in our face, we don't know. Hopefully not. So we got our air compressor pumped up, we got our fuel line hose, Berryman's fuel injector cleaner in the tank, and got it connected to there. Not a great connection on the fuel rail, so I don't know how that's going to hold, but we'll see. So this valve is closed, so it can't pressure down yet. So this pressure is up here.
Yeah, like a little more.
Alright, hold on, we're going to regroup on this until we figure out this voltage we need to send to them to make them spray. Alright, one's going to hold on the battery, the other one's going to hold on the injectors. So, I just don't know which one's which. I don't know if there's any difference on the injector, which one is which.
No, it's not. Put the green one on the close. Look at the row is a little longer. It's gonna be.
Oh, okay, I'll switch it around. Doesn't matter.
Can you bring this out?
That's pretty cool.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah. Another shot. Okay, so it'll remove the other clips.
Yeah. This towards the top, the squeeze towards the top.
Okay, number 2. Hot.
That one's pretty better than that one.
I'll do this one again. I think the reason why that one sprayed worse is because the pressure was already out of the line.
Oh, okay.
Because I had it closed off. So that's why. Okay. Next one. Don't short them out.
Whoops. I hope that's that was a quick one though. Real tight area in here.
Yeah.
It's like surgery.
The old gain operation.
Damn it, are these okay? Should be alright.
It's good. It's working out good so far. Alright, so you've done what? These 3 of them?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Just a couple pulses on it.
Yeah. Well, it seems to be spraying really nice and fine, so that's good. That's what you want to see. Alright, let's do that next one. console, that one.
Yeah.
Don't breathe.
That fan's just blowing it right up in your face. So, okay, so you flipped it around, right? So
Yeah, it is.
we've done these 4 already.
Yeah. All right, success. We did it. We got all 6 injectors spraying nice and fine at about 80 psi, which is, the gauge up here is showing to be, it's supposed to be topping out around 80 or 70, I guess, but we kind of overjuiced it, overachieved a little bit, went from like 120 down to, I guess, 90 now, somewhere around in there. So, but it worked good. They sprayed good, and it seemed like there was any clogging.